There's nothing exceptionally professional about DJI's mini drones. They're typically designed for consumers who want to dip their toes into aerial photography, but a new leak suggests a Pro variant could be on the way. Notorious DJI leaker Jasper Ellens posted an image on Twitter that shows what appears to be the box of a DJI Mini 3 Pro, though he doesn't seem too confident in its legitimacy. Before we start, please make sure to click the like and subscribe button and press the bell icon for regular updates. The Mini is DJI's hobby drone, an affordable flying camera for those who want more spectacular photos and videos from their holidays and other special occasions. So far, there have been 2 generations, 3 if you count the Mini SE, which is based on the original Mini, but now rumors are circulating about a possible 3rd-gen drone. An image posted on Twitter by well-known DJI leaker Osita LV shows what appears to be retail packaging for a DJI Mini 3 Pro. As the tweet reads, there's very little confidence it's genuine and could be faked in Photoshop. However, not everyone believes it's a hoax. Jasper Ellens, who has previously leaked the specs of the Mavic 3, says he doesn't think it's fake and is instead a complete redesign. The image includes 2 exciting things. First, there are front-facing sensors for avoiding obstacles, a feature missing from the Mini series thus far. The second is a controller with a built-in screen. It looks a lot like a more compact version of DJI's RC Pro that comes with the Mavic 3 with fewer buttons and light gray color. DJI RC text bolsters this assumption as calling the Mavic's controller the Pro leaves room for a non-Pro model. However, the DJI Mini 3 Pro name is slightly problematic. This would be the first Mini to get a Pro suffix and suggests that there is also a non-Pro. That may be the case, but it would add extra models to an already busy lineup of drones. One reason for suspecting the image is fake is that the front pair of folding arms don't look right. If they fold out rather than rotate through 180 degrees, the props would still be upside down. Commenters on Twitter also suspect Photoshop trickery, claiming the arms are backward and the gimbal is upside down. Time will tell if they're right. When is the DJI Mini 3 release date? If the image is genuine, an official announcement could follow in the next couple of months. It's certainly been long enough since the Mini 2 was announced in November 2020. The original Mini launched in October 2019, so a late 2021 Mini 3 would have made sense. But as that didn't happen, it's now anyone's guess as to when it could launch. How much will the DJI Mini 3 cost? That of course is the big unanswerable question, and it may not even be real, or more accurately, the Mini 3 Pro may not be accurate. The Mini 2 cost £419, $449 $749 Australian dollars when it launched, and the Mini SE added an excellent entry-level option at £269, $299 $459. If the Mini 3 Pro is a thing, it's likely to cost more than the Mini 2 because of the obstacle sensors and screen-equipped controller. There could also be other upgrades, such as a better camera and image processor that could, let's say, record at 4K 60, the Mini 2 tops out at 4K 30. As there's just the one potentially fake image to go on and no other rumors, it's rather pointless to speculate much beyond this. We'll update this topic if there are more rumors though. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, you must press the like and subscribe button. And let us know your valuable feedback by commenting below the video.